ready to transform casual viewers into loyal subscribers and maximize engagement on your channel. First, head over to YouTube Studio by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Then, click on the Content tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all your videos live. Find the video you want to add and end screen to and click on the Details icon, which looks like a pencil. This will take you to the Video Details page. Scroll down a little if you need to, and on the right-hand side, you'll see an option labeled End Screen. Click on it. Now you're in the End Screen editor. You can choose from pre-designed templates that include options for promoting videos, playlists, or your subscribe button. Alternatively, you can build your own from scratch using the Element button. If you choose a template, simply click on it. You can then customize the elements by dragging them around, resizing them, and choosing which video or playlist you want to feature. For video elements, YouTube can choose the most recent upload, best for viewer, or you can select a specific video. Once you're happy with your end screen design, click the Save button in the top right corner and that's it. Your end screen is now live on your video. Now, when viewers reach the end of your video, they'll be presented with engaging calls to action, driving them to watch more of your content and subscribe to your channel. It's a simple but powerful way to grow your YouTube presence.